Talks about the potential purchase of 1,000 CV90 infantry fighting vehicles for Ukraine, which began in June 2023, are gaining concrete details. The Ministry of Defense of Ukraine reported that it held a meeting with the Defense Materials Agency of Sweden together with the Ministry of Strategic Industrial Plans, where the conditions and terms of purchasing a batch of CV90 infantry fighting vehicles for Ukraine were discussed. During the meeting, the representatives of Ukraine and Sweden defined the financial obligations of Ukraine regarding participation in the project, as well as the terms and conditions for the purchase of the CV90, the message reads. First, combat vehicles will be purchased for the armed forces of Ukraine, and later their gradual localization will be considered. This agreement will not only allow the delivery of weapons, but will also contribute to the development of cooperation in the field of defense industry, in particular, the possibility of localizing part of the production in Ukraine, said Deputy Minister of Defense of Ukraine Dmytro Klimenkov. In the current environment, it is difficult to imagine a quick way to obtain the CV90 BMP if we are talking about a commercial contract. The localization process for BMPs such as the CV90 requires several years, as evidenced by contracts with the Czech Republic and Slovakia, where a 40% localization rate has been achieved. However, the current cost of the CV90 should be kept in mind. Prices for the latest version of the MKIV range from $10 million to $12 million per unit. Financing of such purchases is possible at the expense of financial assistance. The CV90 MKIV is one of the best BMPs in the world, constantly competing with the Ascod and Lynx KF-41. This is a 37-ton machine that can accommodate 7 to 8 paratroopers, has armor against automatic guns, an active damping system active damping, a 1,000 horsepower engine and a variety of weapons. With an undercarriage of up to 40 tons, the CV90 allows a variety of configurations, as each customer can adapt the machine to their needs. For example, when the Netherlands ordered the CV90, they increased the height of the landing compartment. Thus, the choice of combat module, weapons, defense systems, and other options is usually determined by the customer.